Hi, everybody. Just wanted you to know that I see that these aren't updated, so ignore those. But I see that the assignments in this Canvas software uh, don't allow you to comment. You just download the submissions and look at them and grade them. So I don't like that. I would like to have everyone participate and everyone be able to see each other's work and talk about it and so forth. So, this is all set for this week, but for next week, I'm going to put all the assignments in the discussion area, and that way we'll be able to talk to each other. All right? But so if the assignments for this week, well, actually, I guess it's this one and this one and this one. Um, if they say participation and you cannot participate, then don't participate. And don't worry about it. I'll delete that. But I did want to point out that I would like to meet with you all. There's something called Zoom. I don't know if you used it before, but it's attached to Canvas and Indiana University, where we can all meet together with little video windows. I'd like to do that at some point. So if you would go to the chat and tell me what times during the week work for you, what days. I'll possibly do one or two sessions where we can all talk and critique. I think that would really help it feel like more of a class. But, if you don't let me know, then I will dictate it. No one wants to meet at 7 a.m., so let me know what you think. All right, bye-bye.